NaijaFoodTube.
Hello people, welcome to NaijaFoodTube. I'm Kenny. Today, I'll be sharing with you how I prepare my Afang soup. Afang soup is a vegetable soup that originates from Efik and Ibibio people from South Nigeria. To prepare my Afang soup, I'll be using water leaf, already washed and sliced, Afang leaf, sliced and grounded, meat, chicken, bomo, stockfish, that's okporoko, crayfish, roasted fish, onions, scotch bonnet, salt, seasoning cubes, palm oil, periwinkle. Kindly check out our video on how to cut periwinkle. To begin cooking, I'll pour the meat into a pot. I'll add onion, I'll add seasoning cube, I'll add salt, I'll add 2 cups of water, I'll cover and allow cook for 15 to 20 minutes. I'll add the chicken. I had to start from the red meat because it takes longer time to cook, unlike chicken. I'll add stockfish, the okporoko, I'll cover and allow cook for 10 minutes. I'll add scotch bonnet, I'll add bomo and stir. I'll add crayfish, I'll add water leaf, I'll cover and allow cook for some minutes. I'll add the periwinkle, and stir. I'll cover and allow cook for 5 minutes. I'll add crayfish, I'll add roasted fish, I'll add palm oil, I'll cover and allow cook for 7 minutes. I'll add afang leaf, I'll stir to allow the soup cook well. You may add water, it depends on how thick you want your soup. Finally, I'll cover and allow cook for some minutes. My afang soup is ready. It smells real good and I can tell you it tastes real good as well. Afang soup can be eaten with any swallow of your choice. Thanks for watching. Ciao ciao.